consider the possibility of being able to forecast market trends before they occur, giving you an advantage over other traders. Sounds exciting, right? So in today's special video, we are going to focus on the top 5 game-changing TradingView advanced indicators. These extraordinary technologies utilize powerful algorithms to predict the market's next move with remarkable accuracy. So make sure you watch the entire video, as I'm going to explain how each indicator works, why they're so successful, and how to apply them. This list of the 5 smartest and most accurate indicators on TradingView is essential for any trader, whether it's a day trader, a scalper, or a swing trader planning their next big trade. These powerful tools are essential for profiting from quick market moves, aiming for precision in the midst of the action, or swing trading. So guys, if that's something you're interested in, as always, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Now, let's kick things off with our 5th essential indicator on the list. Now, you are going to go to the Indicators tab over here and type in the Advanced Stochastic Oscillator by CryptoCTV. I'm not going to lie, but this free tool looks like a premium indicator. The Advanced Stochastic Oscillator works best in shorter time frames like the 5 and 15 minutes, but it also works on the higher time frame as well. But I will suggest you test it out with the time frame you are using with your strategy. This advanced analysis tool is designed to enhance market analysis through detailed stochastic calculations. This tool is built for traders who seek to identify market divergences and pivot points with higher accuracy, creating a deeper understanding of potential market movements using this special indicator. This indicator contains 4 very important key features. The first of them all is the multi-layer stochastic analysis. This feature helps you to track refined and standard stochastic values to give an in-depth understanding of market momentum. The second key feature is the divergence detection. This feature of the indicator automatically detects both regular and hidden bullish and bearish divergences, offering critical insights into potential market reversals. The third feature is the adaptive oscillator display. This features customizable display options for the stochastic oscillator, allowing traders to view data in default, histogram, or both modes. And then the last, or the fourth feature, is the customizable lookback periods. This feature allows traders to set specific lookback periods for divergence analysis and stochastic calculations, tailoring the tool to fit various trading strategies. Now, to set up the indicator, you are going to click on this gear icon here, or double-click anywhere on the indicator. And here on this input section of the indicator, you are going to leave this display mode to both because it will allow you to have a complete view of the indicator. Then this %K length, you are going to change it to 10 instead of 14. And you are going to leave all these ones to their default setting. Then on this style section, you are going to leave everything to their default settings as well. And you will then click OK. Now, you can see that this indicator comes with this green and a red bands, with the green bands signifying the presence of more buyers in the market, and the red bands indicating the presence of more sellers in the market. Then you have this histogram at the center here, showing you the strength of both buyers and sellers in the market, and then this upper and lower ends of the indicator that gives you the extreme point the price has reached, where the price has the probability of reversing. And finally, you can see that the indicator also gave you this buy signal here, using this divergence between the price and the indicator here. And you could have taken advantage of the opportunity and placed a long position at the close of this candle and set your stop loss at this low and extend your profit target up to this level, which is around 6:1 risk to reward ratio. You can see that this indicator has the power to give you valid trading opportunity if you truly understand its mechanics and how it works. Here is an example of a sell position on the same Synthetix network token with the USDT perpetual contract and on the 5 minutes time frame. You can see that the price moved up around here. But you got a sell signal from the indicator because of this divergence between the indicator and the price. And then you could have placed a short trade at the close of this candle with long wick and set your stop loss at this high and extend your profit target down to this level, which is equivalent to a 4:1 risk to reward ratio. Now, you can see that this is another valid trade opportunity. Now, moving on to the 4th indicator, we have the multi-time frame Bollinger Bandwidth indicator created by CryptoCTV. you can go to the Indicators tab here to search up the Bollinger Bandwidth indicator, and then add it to the chart. Now, this indicator is a powerful analytical tool designed for traders to gauge market volatility and trend strength across multiple timeframes. It uses the Bollinger Bandwidth concept to provide a comprehensive view of price movements and volatility changes. This is a refurbished Bollinger Band, but here, it doesn't display over the price, but at this lower end of the chart. Here on the chart, you can see this higher and lower pivot point that offers insights into potential support and resistance levels. These pivot points are dynamic and adjust based on the time frame viewed, reflecting short-term fluctuations or longer-term trends. You can also see this table that allows traders to monitor Bollinger Bandwidth across various time frames, providing a macro and micro perspective on market volatility. This moving average that helps you to understand the price movement between the pivot points. Then these vertical green and red bands that tell you when you have more buyers and sellers in the market. Here is an example of a trade entry set up with this simple but powerful indicator. Here, you can see that the price was moving upward around here until it reached this point and it became exhausted. If you look at this indicator, you will notice that this moving average is above the higher pivot point, with this vertical red band that align perfectly with the moving average, confirming the exhaustion in the price movement. And then you could have placed a short trade at the close of this bearish candle and set your stop loss at this high, and extend your profit target down to this level, which is around a 4.6 risk to reward ratio, giving you a valid trade setup with this indicator. The third indicator that you should absolutely check out is the Crypto C Premium indicator. Now, this indicator is a sophisticated tool that combines traditional and modern analytical methods to provide traders with actionable market dynamics insights. This indicator is an invite-only indicator, meaning that if you search here on the Indicators tab, you will see that the indicator is locked and you cannot add it to the chart because it's a paid indicator, and that you have to be given access for you to use the indicator. Now, Crypto C has offered many ways to help thousands of traders to scale through in the cryptocurrency market. You can see that they have created many ideas here on TradingView on how you can trade Bitcoin and other altcoins profitably. They also have some free and premium indicators to help you build your strategy and confidence in the crypto trading world. You can consider following them to be getting notified whenever they create new ideas or an indicator. Now, if you want to get access to the premium indicators and other products that Crypto C offers, you are going to go over to their website. Now, when you come over to the Crypto C website, you can see that they only offer two services, which are premium indicators and a crypto trading bot called the Smart Bot. Now, if you want to make consistent money from the crypto market by trading, but you don't have a trading strategy yet, or that you don't know how to do crypto trade analysis, you do not have proper risk management, or you don't have time to monitor your trades and make some adjustment if need be, then you will definitely need this Crypto Smart Bot, because this bot collects and analyzes market data such as price, volume, orders, and time. And this can be done using the built-in technical indicators and a predefined algorithms and trading strategies to evaluate market conditions for executing a trade. And once a signal is generated, this bot will place buy or sell orders on the connected cryptocurrency exchange. Now, here are the 6 important benefits you are going to get if you start using Crypto C Bot to trade your cryptocurrencies. First, you are going to make money both in the bull and bear market. Secondly, you are going to make long-term gains, constant optimization of algorithms for maximum performance. You can track your performance on the progress you are making on the different account you connected to the platform, and then you are going to get security and personal support. Now, if you sign up with the link in the description below, you are going to get the premium indicator for $29 instead of $60 and the Crypto Smart Bot for $499 instead of $1,000. Now, after you are done signing up, you will be taken to this dashboard here, where you will need to connect to the crypto exchange that you want to trade with. Then, you are going to come here and choose the crypto exchange, and then go to your exchange, and then copy a PI keys and secret keys and paste them here, and then click Connect. Or you will click on Learn how to connect a PI to understand how to connect your exchange first. And when you are done connecting your crypto exchange, then you will be ready to trade. Now, moving back to the video. Now, let's talk about how this indicator works. This indicator functions like the Bollinger Bands, using the combination of standard deviation and moving averages to dynamically identify market pivot points based on previous price volatility, providing a statistical signal to potential price movements. This right here works as a dynamic support and resistance. These big green and red bands are used to know the extreme ends the price has reached and to determine the reversal point. This indicator is mostly used for scalping. That's when this red and green arrow becomes important because they are designed to give you scalping signals. For example, here you can see that when the price moved down like this, the price trailing part of the indicator acted as a support level, and the indicator printed this arrow for you to enter a long trade. And all of this happened at this pivot point of the indicator, and you could have placed a long trade at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss at this low, and extend your profit target up to this level, which is around 4:1 risk to reward ratio. Next up on the list, I have the second indicator here, which is the CME gap oscillator by CryptoC. The CME gap oscillator is a market gap indicator that uses the Chicago Mercantile Exchange's average true range to provide a unique perspective on market dynamics, and to illuminate the significance of market gaps. Now, when this TR lines contracts, it means that there's not enough volatility in the market, and when the line expands, it shows that there's been a greater volatility coming to the market. This vertical green band shows bullish strength in the market, especially when it appears at the pivot point. The opposite happens when it is red band. Here is an example of a trade entry opportunity with the CME gap oscillator. Here, you can see that this TR lines have been contracting around here, showing weakness in the price movement. And then when this green vertical band formed, the ATR lines started expanding, giving you a sign that more buyers are entering the market. And for that reason, you could have placed a long trade at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss at this low and extend your profit target up to this level, which is around 4.6 risk to reward ratio. In this way, giving you a valid trade entry opportunity. Now let's move on to the final indicator topping our list, and the indicator is called the Advanced Mark D indicator. Now, here on my channel I have once made a video about one of the Advanced Mark D indicator. You can watch the video with the link in the description below. Today we have another Advanced Mark D indicator, but this one is created by CryptoC. Now, this Advanced Mark D enhances the traditional Mark D indicator, integrating innovative features for traders aiming for deeper insights into market momentum and sentiment. It's crafted for those seeking to explore nuanced behaviors of the Mark D histogram, in this way offering a refined perspective on market dynamics. You can see that this indicator comes with only the enhanced histogram with no moving average crossover. This histogram highs and lows, and then this table here, that all work together to bring out the best performance from this indicator. In the first place, the blue histogram is used by this indicator to show you the number of buyers in the market. This means that an increase in the height of this blue histogram shows an equivalent increase in the buyers in the market. Then you have these red histograms that shows you the number of sellers in the market, and the increase in the height of the red histogram means an increase in the number of sellers in the market. The essence of this indicator lies in its ability to offer a generalized view of how prices might move after certain Mark D signals are triggered. It achieves this by analyzing previous price movements following specific Mark D signals and constructing forecasts based on these historical patterns. You have the flexibility to adjust the conditions for generating Mark D signals through the trend determination settings, which here on the input section. You can change this fast length to 9, the slow length to 21, and this signal smoothing to 14, and then uncheck this candle coloring. And then on this style tab, you are going to uncheck only this table, and then you will click OK. Here is an example of a trade setup with the Advanced Mark D by CryptoC. Here on the chart, you can see that the price was consolidating around here. Notice that the Mark D histograms is also forming this shrinking candles around here. But when these green histogram of the Mark D started forming and increasing in size, the price also spiked up, but it later reversed, and then these red histograms started forming, and as soon as they formed below this center line, which suggests that more sellers has started to enter the market. And for that reason, you could have placed a short trade at the close of this bearish candle and set your stop loss at this high, and extend your profit target down to this level, which is around 5:1 risk to reward ratio. In this way, giving you a valid trade entry opportunity. You can see that this trade could also have been a pretty nice and quality trade. Now, you can go on and try to use these indicators that we have discussed in this video. And also check the different setting of the indicators to see the ones that works best with your strategy. Guys, I have created a Telegram channel where I want to be connecting with you all. And I'm also going to be sharing very important knowledge and information about both Forex and crypto trading in this Telegram channel. And I will start sharing these important information once we are up to or more than 100 people in this Telegram channel. So go ahead and join us. And again, don't forget to use these links in the description to register with these crypto exchanges and Forex brokers. Using these links helps support this channel. Now, if you found this video valuable, as always, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.